What's up, YouTube? It's your boy World to Real. Hey, today I'm moving. I ain't moving my shit, but I'm being a mover, man. And I'm moving this motherfucking refrigerator. This refrigerator got me scared as hell though, cause it's all on the back of my goddamn shit. I mean, I guess that's how it's supposed to be. They installed it like this from the company. You feel me? Yeah, moving into my little cousin in the studio and shit. He said I could go 40 miles per hour. I'm going motherfucking 40 miles per hour. You can see that shit. I'm going. So I'm just gonna ride it out slowly and smoke it out. You feel me? Oh, your boy got a blunt roll. You feel me? I ain't do no funny shit yet. Yeah, your boy, move the refrigerator back there. Look, move the refrigerator. Moving it for my peoples. That'll roll me up a nice one, you feel me? Check me out, bust down. Check me out, bust down. Remember Captain America? Check me out, bust down. Doc, baby. Oh, wake my sleepy ass up. Been up early as hell and shit. Gotta be cautious moving this refrigerator. But that's why I got a truck. Let's talk about why I got a truck. See, the reason why I got a truck is, it's like, nah, look. The reason why I got a truck is so I could do shit like this. You say you need something moved. What they call? Dot. Let me call Dot. Dot needs something moved. Dot, I need something moved. Where you at, Dot? Shit, I'm right here. What's up? Say, you need something worked on. Car or something. I keep all my tools in my truck. Pull up, work on your shit, pull out till your shit fixed. Jay. So I'm on the expressway now, refrigerator on the back. Right on the back. I'm on the expressway. I'm gonna turn my emergency high beams on. And just cruise it out. My lips was dry. I need something to drink. Just cruise it out. Fuck up the merchandise, nigga. You gonna have to go get some more. You gonna have to come out of pocket and get another one. Like, you don't wanna fuck up the merchandise. Not at all. Not at all, my friend. No. So, you know what I mean? And what else? See, I need to go buy a lawnmower and a little weed whacker. So I can be cutting grass and trimming the grass up and shit. You know, a brother got a truck to him. I throw a little snow plow on the front of this motherfucker. It's like, nah. That's what I'm gonna get though. I'm gonna get like a little diesel snow plow truck in the future. One that's probably like wrecked, and I fix it. I shouldn't even say that shit. I gave out too much fucking information right there on some shit. But you know, I keep going. I just buy one wreck, fix it, and be a snow plow guy, and be plowing snow. You know, me plowing snow. Rolled up that gas. I put a filter in there, maybe my own little special little filter. Yep. Going right here. Let y'all see what I'm doing right now. In the truck. Big ass refrigerator on the back. Gotta be careful. Has to be careful, dog. Can't be out here and be no dummy. But you gotta get to the money, though. Everything gotta hustle to it. Everything, you can make money off of pretty much everything. Everything. So I'm just cruising, sliding. Blowing, getting my mind right. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not lifting it, you feel me? And I'm not lifting it. Yep. You know how that shit go. Taking it to the studio on I-75 going north. This big ass motherfucking truck wanna be stupid. Go ahead and be stupid. Go ahead and be stupid, bitch. Motherfucker wanna drive all fast and shit. You see this motherfucker goddamn refrigerator back there, bitch. That refrigerator, shit, that refrigerator back that motherfucker. Steady like a motherfucker. It's steady, it's steady. Are you ready? It's steady. See, look, I'm thinking smart. Ride behind this damn truck because that truck is blocking the wind. You feel me? So if I ride behind the truck with the motherfucking refrigerator going a nice little speed, I should be cool. You feel me? That world, baby, thinking, babe. You gotta be thinking, babe. See, I'm just riding with the wind, bullseye. Riding with the wind. I mean, he blocking the air. I'm just riding with the wind. I can feel it in the air. Everybody want to call while I'm doing my video and shit. Y'all gonna have to hold on now. Got like 12 more, got a little couple more minutes now. I gotta hold on now. This for my YouTube, you feel me? This for my subscribers. This is for my day ones. This is for the ones who there for your boy, Dot World Baby. These is for the ones who be keeping it real, who fuck with me on everything that I'm doing, who there, who not going nowhere. And I don't want you to go nowhere, baby. Stay with your boy. Stay tuned in. Cause I'm like a cartoon. I'm gonna keep coming with these motherfucking goddamn videos, you feel me? Let me ask you this. Why the chicken crossed the road? Because he was trying to get to the other side. Pretty much, motherfucker. Shit. That's the only reason why the motherfucking chicken crossed the damn road. Because he was trying to get to the other side. He said, what's on the other side? And them motherfuckers I just got down refrigerator strapped down pretty tight though. I got that motherfucker strapped down, strapped down, strapped down, strapped down. I'm like, damn, ya boy. Hey, la ba. Hey, la ba. Burp. Traffic. That's what it's like when you got traffic. I'm in the traffic. I'm sliding in the traffic. Yes, I'm in the traffic. I'm sliding in the traffic. Yes, I'm in the traffic. I'm sliding in the traffic. Yes, I'm in the traffic. In the traffic. In the traffic. I'm in the traffic. I'm sliding in the traffic. I'm in the traffic. In my truck. In my big boy truck. In my truck. In my big boy truck. In my truck. I don't even know why you hating. No lie, no lie, no lie. Every man should have a truck. Real talk, every man should have a truck. Every man should have a truck. Every woman should have a beautiful car. No lie. Every man should have a truck. Every woman should have a beautiful car. You feel me? I don't give a fuck if it's a beat up truck. Every man should have a truck. It's like you having a gun. Every man should have a gun. Every man should have a sword. Every woman should have a sword. Every woman should have a dagger, a knife. So just because I'm moving this motherfucking goddamn motherfucking refrigerator, I still get you game. And I'm doing so good moving this motherfucking expressway, boy. Dot World Too Real. Know what he doing. You know what he doing. Yeah. You just know what he doing, man. You know what he doing, dude. Dude, he know what he's doing, dude. Just shut the fuck up. You know what he's doing. That shit looks so good. Say Dot. Now I need the Too Real. I need the Dot World Too Real. That's gonna look so live. That's gonna look so live. Man, what the fuck's up? Fucking assholes. Fucking assholes just got in my fucking way. I be damn, boy. I be damn, boy. If that motherfucker drive down on my motherfucking truck about, oh man, I be damn, boy. I be damn. Hey, killer. Call my phone. Hey, yo. Call my phone. Hey, yo. I love y'all all. And be safe, Dot World.